Assalamu alaikum all. How are you? Hope you're doing well and taking good care of yourself, your parents, your hygiene and everything. I'm your teacher Nisa Jilani and I'm here to teach you English inshallah. But before the beginning of anything, we always start with the name of Allah, the most merciful. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Oh my Lord, relieve my mind and ease my task for me and loose a knot from my tongue that they may understand my saying. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh Lord, increase me in knowledge. So children, today the topic we are going to learn first is brainstorming. What is brainstorming? Brainstorming is a way to generate ideas within a group setting. It is usually used in the beginning stages to make the process more meaningful and effective. Okay, as you can think, brainstorming is like that you start thinking about something in your mind to generate or to create ideas. So this can be called free thinking as well. Like brainstorming is a group activity. All the people which are related to the same topic, okay, start to generate more effective, brilliant ideas or to find conclusion for a specific problem in a same time. This is the way you just complete your brainstorming. Okay. Now the next thing we are going to learn is what is mind mapping. Like mind mapping is a highly effective way of getting information in and out of our brain. It is a collection of thoughts and ideas. As you can think, the word mind mapping is like you made some directions in your mind. That is usually designed to do work more effectively. This is the graphical way to show the ideas and concepts. Mind mapping is helping us to think in a better way. For example, like we want to go somewhere, definitely we need to prepare a map in our mind. Why we need this map? Because we have to move in, we want to move in a correct direction. So exactly the same like in mind mapping, we have to think all about the given topic very quickly. This is the diagram as you can see in the picture as well. This is the diagram you can make. First you just complete brainstorming and then whatever comes in your mind you just write it down in the middle of the picture, the name of the topic and the ideas, what exactly the ideas comes in your mind. Like why are mind maps used? Now we can learn about this. Mind maps enable us to learn faster, communicate more efficiently and brainstorm effectively. Why we need it? Because it shows meaningful learning. That definitely we have to we can think about something first and then start doing that work. So definitely that gives some meaningful learning because we already think about it. Better way to save our time. It makes complex issue or easier to understand. Explore some new things, come with more brilliant ideas in your mind. So this is the way you just that's why you have to do mind mapping first. Okay, as you can see in the picture, here is a topic, like the name of the topic is holiday. So you have to write the paragraph or the composition which is related to the holiday. So first you have to make the spider web. So in the middle of the, as you can see in the picture, as the middle of the picture, the name of the topic is here and then you just draw some branches which whatever is related to the holiday you have to start writing it. Okay, like first is accommodation, transportation, eating, okay, and then activities. These all are related to the holiday, so you just start writing it. So that makes everything easier. Now how to make spider web, we have to learn now how to make it. Okay, first we have to draw the circle in the center of the page. We have to draw the circle, okay, in the center of the page, then write the title there. You have to, whatever the title, whatever the topic is, you have to write it down there. Then add branches to make the to the main concept. You have to make the branches to the main concept then, okay, which are related to the topic, and then add 5 W's and how, and then 5 W's and how. What exactly these 5 W's and how? Okay, so hope you understand that how to make the spider web, like circle, in the circle the name of the topic, then add the branches, whatever comes in your mind you start writing it there. Okay, so these are the, as you can see in the picture, these are the 5 W's, like where, who, what, why, when and how. Okay, as you can see in the picture, these 5 W's make our life easier. Why? Because we exactly know in which direction we have to think about before we throw ideas on the paper. Okay, where, who, what, why, when, we have to think about all of it in the mind first, and then we throw every single word on the paper. Whenever we want to write a composition or to write anything, we have to make this spider web. Okay, whatever you write, it must be more effective in a better way. So this is the way you just do the brainstorming and then mind mapping, and then make a spider web. Hope you understood today's topic. Inshallah, I'll join you again with some other topic. Until then, take